welcome back to Easy Nails. Today I'm going to do an acrylic nail tutorial for you guys. I am using Kupastructureodorlessmonomer Monomer in this one, and I really wanted you guys to see how I work with the monomer. I'm going to be doing an encapsulated glitter design. We're going to be encapsulating butterflies, and we're also going to be encapsulating glitter acrylics and doing a really easy French design. So if you guys are interested in watching this nail tutorial, stay tuned. I am not going to be doing a voiceover today. I will just let you guys watch me work. I am using glitterbels, and I am using mostly glitterbels here, and then I do have a triple D glitter that I am using and some mvpnaildesigns from her hollow micro hollow shards collection. I'm using some of those as well. If you guys want links for anything, let me know. So we're going to be just basically encapsulating glitter in this design, you guys. I'm going to show you how to do a really easy French design and how to work with Kupa Odorless Monomer. So I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you are subscribed. I have some giveaways coming up, so I would love it if you guys would join the channel and comment down below what odorless monomer is your guys' favorite. Do you guys like working with odorless monomer, and do you guys love encapsulating glitter? I think it's super pretty, so I love to encapsulate glitter and little sequins. So yeah, that is it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.